We're back. Control H, Control Tab. I'm going to say we did the configure last. Now let's say clear, and we have to compile the package now. So we're going to say make C, make a new lib. Okay. I don't remember this taking very much time at all. Okay. I'm probably lying. Ha 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 ha. So that's that. Control A, Control Tab puts us up in the top window there. And like I said, I don't know if you noticed or not, but I think this seems a little easier to do. You have the screen running and you can compile any of it. It's kind of okay. You don't have to I-shift, lose your place, or anything else like that. You know. So I like that. I like this idea, kind of. As long as you get everything right. I run a lot of screen when I'm in my TTY, when I'm messing around in Slack or whatnot like that, and it just works. It just works. You know, it's not really confusing or anything else like that. It takes about 10 minutes to get used to it, but after you're used to it, you're fine. You're fine. Now you may notice too, if you do a bad key click and say Control S, I think it is, it puts it in another mode and it kind of locks up your screen. Alright, you can get out of that by saying Control Q, Control Shift Q, one or the other. But watch out. You need to research that, because if not, you'll end up killing that session that you locked up. So if you kill your say LFS build, then you'd have to start over. But I should have said that in the very beginning. Or Tmux, you could use Tmux, but I've had Tmux was something different for me. Okay, so let's say that's good, and the rest of it we have to say make let's clear this. Make C source MSG FMT. Okay, cool. Tmux is like screen, but I wanted to get away from screen because of the intensive key clicks like Control A and all that stuff like that. There's a lot of key clicks you have to remember to get really deep into screen. But I was told Tmux was better, and Tmux is just different key clicks, but still the same routine, so I don't understand. But so after this we have to install the MSGFMT binary. What is this? What is MSGFMT? What part of binary is that? Not possible. Okay, that's test suites. The MSGFMT binary. So let's clear the screen. We issued that command right there, and now we need to say copy source MSG FMT tools bin. Okay, good. And we'll say onto grep. Get text is done. And come out 2 times. Okay. And we're gonna say tar, or let's remove get text. Remove cursive. Get text. Okay. tar xvf grep. Okay. Say configure cd into grep, and we'll say .run configure prefix equals tools, and that's it. Control A, Control Tab. We have to say make, and we can do a make install, and then we'll be -1 package. leave us with how many packages after that? Crap. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What? Gotta be kidding me. But we just had 11. We only did one package. Man. What a sham. What a scam. But even in the next build though, when we go ahead and we see each room or in our operating system, it's like, there's a lot of packages that we have to run through. Some new ones too. Okay, so let's say we did not even do make and make. Let me check and see if that's right. Make and make install on grep. Make install. Okay, it should not take long at all. gzip, our extraction program. There's a lot of new packages over on the other side that we have to install. Like what kind of packages? I don't know. We'll run into them when we get there. We'll say clear, and let's go ahead and remove grep. I'm still inside of it. Let's say remove grep. Okay. tar xvf gzip. cd into gzip. And let's say configure prefix equals tools. We can gate on a make and make install on this one. We should be good with that. And test suites, blah blah blah. Gzip. See, there's not too much about data as far as in the next chapter when we get to that, you'll see a lot of data pop out about gzip. You know, libraries installed and all that other stuff like that. But when we're building a toolchain, there's really not too much to talk about with gzip or similar programs like that. You know what I mean? But as we get up there in the next chapter, you'll see there'll be like pages and pages and pages of info that you can read on. So it's always a good idea to check that stuff out. It's pretty awesome. Gives you an idea on how the inner workings of the system are, and you can hear about libs and everything else like that, and they're not so big and mysterious anymore. Okay, so we can issue make and make install. Gzip should be done. We do M4. I have no big programs. Make install. And gzip is done. So we can say back out of this, and we'll say remove gzip. Okay. tar xvf m41416. Clear. cd into m4, and let's say we have to issue a sed here. We'll say sed I e. We have to say gets is a d, and lib stdio dot h dot in. Okay, and let's go ahead and configure prefix equals tools. Okay, and we can get away with a make install. I think I'll do that, and I might cut the video. But these 0.2 SPUs are like right at the border of not fast enough, but not short enough to cut the video. But screen recorder is pretty awesome. That's a PyScript, and I got it from somewhere online, and I'll put it up. Well, actually, I think I'll put it up in the beginning tutorial, first one or something like that, so you guys can get it. You have to sudo apt-get update or sudo apt-get something with the, I think it's some lib or something like that, but it works off FFmpeg, so that's cool. That's cool. All right, so M4, and we did a configure. We can now issue make and make install, make and make install. Okay, so let's let that do up, and we'll cut the video. I'll see you in the next one.